So hello and welcome to Vetsdiary friends. Today's video is going to be very informative for all those students who are aspiring a career in research. Today I have Dr. Aman Kamboj sir, who is an assistant professor at College of Veterinary Sciences at GB Pant University. So I welcome you sir to my channel, and I am very grateful to sir that at very short notice he agreed to do a collaboration with us. So to all my viewers, I want to say that in my channel I have already made a video about the scope of veterinary sciences, or what are the government jobs in which you can apply, and there are many things which we already know about veterinary, but today's video is especially important as it talks about some unexplored fields in veterinary which most of us don't know. Yes, research is one such field in which our knowledge regarding veterinary is very less, that what is the scope of veterinarians in research activities and in other national institutes. So today's video guides you that how you can apply for national institutes throughout India and what are the future scopes after being a veterinary graduate. So initially, sir, I would like you to please give a brief introduction about yourself.
Thank you so much for inviting me on your channel. Myself, Dr. Aman Kamboj. I am Assistant Professor Animal Biotechnology, currently working in College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar. Telling something about my journey till now, I completed my bachelor degree, that is BVSc and AH, from Pantnagar itself. After that, through ICAR JRF, I admitted to ICAR IVRI Ayodhya to pursue my masters in animal biotechnology in 2010. I completed my masters in 2012 and joined as a PhD scholar in IVRI itself, and completed my PhD in animal biotechnology in 2015. After that, I joined as assistant professor in Pantnagar, and thereafter I am working here as assistant professor. So
sir, as we all know that teaching is your passion. So apart from that, what other responsibilities you play in this university?
That's an interesting part. Apart from teaching, we in Pantnagar have a lot of activities, students-oriented activities in which we are involved. One of such activity is mentoring students regarding their career, regarding their extracurriculars, and to bring some positive change in overall personality of students. So we are working since our inception of GB Pant University, and after my joining in 2016, I am also a part of this mentoring and teaching learning activities.
Okay. So sir, that means you are playing a great role in this university, as I know that we are at Pantnagar. So recently sir helped us visit the Nahe facility here. So there I came to know that he has also got some students who are currently studying at IITs. In biotech department only, sir?
The name of department is different. Okay. Like some institutes are having department name as biosciences and bioengineering, and somewhere it is biotechnology, somewhere it is biomedical technology, like that. So name varies, but all are doing in biosciences.
Okay. So that was the day when I came to know that yes, sir is doing something different in veterinary field, and that inspired me, motivated me to ask sir that he comes and educates our viewers something more about veterinary. So now moving towards our first question.
Sure.
That what should a veterinary graduate keep in mind if he or she wants to pursue a career in research?
Regarding a career, I have a different perspective. If you want to be in research, then you have to make your mind that you have to work in a different field that is little bit different from the traditional fields like field work and all. So first you should have passion for research, you should have a scientific temperament, you should have a quest of knowing the things. So that's the primary thing what a student after after UG is required if he want to go into any of the research field. Second one is the thorough idea about the work he want to do. Like he should be aware of the things going in scientific world around, and also a knowledge is required regarding how to get admission to the institute which he or she targeted. So these are the little things which are important. Rest the student learn when he or she go through the journey of getting admission and doing research over there.
Okay, so that means the initial thing is the interest in research if one wants to
yes,
go
yes,
there,
yes,
because without
definitely.
that one cannot pursue a career there.
Yeah.
So now sir, the next question is that from UG only, if we have decided that yes, we want to do research, so what should be the perspective that we should follow?
In UG we have courses from different fields, like we have courses of veterinary sciences, paraclinical departments are there, basics departments are there, animal sciences department are there. So in UG, definitely being a veterinarian, we have to study everything. But some subjects are there in which research opportunities are more, like molecular sciences are there, microbiology is there, which is more aligned to the research which is going on in context of national institutes, like we are having National Institute of Virology. We should have interest in those subjects in which a good research career is there. Although research is there in every subject has its own perspective of research and all. In your first question, I gave that reply that he should have a scientific temperament or he should have a passion for research. That is the primary thing. And apart from that, see, since till third year the student has to study all the basic courses, so a student gather a overall perspective after third year. So at least after third year he or she should fix their goals, and they should decide what they want to do and start preparing after third year itself. So they should be aware of the courses that are being offered in IITs or NITs or any of the national institute, like Indian Institute of Sciences, the one institute, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is the another institute. So they should make their mind after third year and start preparing for their examinations which they want to pursue for getting admission in national institutes.
Sir, so as we know that the basic topic of this video is to guide students that how they can go for research or make a better career option in research field. So sir, there are many students who don't know that from where we can pursue a career. That means they don't know that yes, after being a veterinary graduate, we can pursue a career in IITs or we can go and study in Indian Institute of Sciences also. So sir, what are the resources by which students can know that yes, we can pursue a career in this area also?
First of all, for being a graduate student, he should be aware of the fields in which they can go. Like in Pantnagar, what we used to do, starting from first year, we provide them mentorship. We organize workshops related to career counseling and all. Or for first year students, we guide them in which field you can go, like what all are the avenues available for a veterinary graduate after completing their BVSC and AH. So definitely role of teacher is important. Teachers should tell them that these all are the areas available for you. Apart from that, research is a field that is open for everyone, and IITs, NITs and the other national institutes in which they want diverse people, like people from different areas. So today's era is the era of collaboration or interdisciplinary research. So through Google or through going to the websites of different institutes, if we search the eligibility criteria of admission, definitely one will find veterinary option there. It depends on exploration or the search they made on internet, and also through their friends, through their teachers. That's all the sources through which they can get information.
So sir, the next question is that how can someone go into big institutions like Indian Institute of Sciences or Indian Institute of Technology after being a veterinary graduate?
Okay, see, veterinary is a 5.5 year course. Curriculum is 5.5 year. So there is a channel of entering into IITs and IISC. There are two important examinations. One is GATE and another one is JAM. So IITs and IISC, they offer courses like MTech in biomedical engineering or MTech in biotechnology or biosciences. So for that, through GATE, one can go to IITs like for pursuing their MTech. And there are other courses also like Master of Science in Research or Masters in any of the discipline related to biological sciences. So two important exams are, one is GATE, through which one can get MTech in IITs, and another one is JAM, through which master's course can be taken in national institutes. So these are the two examinations. But as I earlier told, veterinary is a 5.5 year degree. So they have an option for directly admission to IITs and in PhD. Like for masters, for other streams which are having less than 4 years degree, they have to give GATE and all for admission to first master, then they go to PhD. But for veterinarians or for medicos or for any of the degree of 4 year or longer than that, they have a direct option of PhD over there. So veterinarian can apply directly for PhD after completed their undergraduate degree. That is a sort of integrated degree that will take at least 5 years, like that. Yeah, GATE score definitely they want. Some institute also conduct interviews, and some can take only on the basis of your GATE score.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the type of questions which are asked in such exams?
So GATE exam they conduct in different subjects. For us it is life sciences. In life sciences questions will be there from physics, chemistry and biology, and basic questions are also there. In little bit maths is there.
Okay, and that is of which level, sir, this physics, chemistry and biology?
Yeah, definitely it is one level above than the 11th and 12th. It's little bit of undergraduate level. Yeah. Easy concepts of maths would be there for life sciences. Otherwise physics, chemistry and biology form the major portion.
Okay, so now the next question is that what are the career options after one has done masters or PhD from national institutes?
Okay, so after completing your masters and PhD, multiple career options are there. If one can go into industry, then IITs, IISc are also they are reputed in context of their placements or their package. So the campus placement option is always there. After completing their masters, they can opt for a campus placement in different multinational companies or the firms related to biomedical sciences or veterinary field as well. So one option is yes, industry, and second one is they can pursue research further, like as a postdoctoral fellow, or they can work in projects, or they can also apply for their own projects. That is the second option. Third, they can do research in National Institute as scientists, like recruitment of scientists are there under ICMR or CSIR institutes. So they can apply for a post of a scientist, and they can pursue a good career as scientists in national institutes. And apart from there, nowadays we are hearing terms like startups and all. So there are different schemes for having a startup after your post graduation and PhD, and all these institutes provide a very good platform for startups, that they are having their own incubation centers. If you have a good research concept with you, then government will definitely fund you. So there are different agencies or different platforms on which one can apply for their own work also.
So sir, what is the difference if we do masters or PhD from state agriculture universities and from IIT or IISC?
Okay, the state agriculture university, they come under the purview of ICAR. So ICAR and the other national institutes like new institutes of ICMR, CSIR and IITs, they have a little bit difference in their work culture, and the difference is there in examinations. Like in SAUs, if one want to pursue career in research, he or she should give a JRF examination first, and after JRF examination we have national institutes in ICAR system also, like we have IVRI, we have NDRI, so they are equally good, but seats are less, so competition is really tough over there also. Less students are also applying for these institutes, like these are open only for veterinarians or the persons from the related subjects, but in IITs lot many people apply for masters and PhD, but we are having edge as we are having 5.5 year degree, we have a professional degree, and we have good command on animal handling and all. And nowadays there is a one term which is getting very much importance, like One Health. So they want people from different aspects, like they want from animal sciences, they want from agriculture sciences, from environmental sciences, from medical sciences. So definitely we can contribute a lot there also, and we will find different type of people there, different streams are there, they are running courses of social sciences also. So interdisciplinary research can be done better at the level of IITs, IISC, because we are connected to the specialized people from the different areas. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is also needed in veterinary sciences. We have to collaborate with the person from electronics, from computer science for that. So yeah, that is a difference. Like we will have the better research facilities if we go to national institutes like IVRI, NDRI, IITs, IISC, and these are the institutes of national importance, and even they have some place in international ranking also somewhere. So that's a difference. State universities are having their own culture. Most of the students are from the local areas also, but in national institutes we find people from different corners of the country, and we find teachers, even they are some are from the other countries also. So they have a good research experience, and relatively funding is also good over there. We have good instruments. The experience of good instruments is also there with the students in national institutes.
Okay, so that was a very nice and detailed explanation by sir, that why should we search for a career in national institutes. And because they have much larger facilities, much larger avenues, and much experienced faculties also there. You are a UG student, then when to start? He told that if after third year only we come to know about all our subjects, and then only if we have an interest in research, then we should pursue or think to pursue our career in this field. And sir also told that how we can get information that in which institutes we should apply, and definitely the national institutes are one of the best. And sir also told that how we can apply, that is via GATE and GEM. And sir also told the type of questions and the level at which the questions are asked. So I think the video is a complete information about the students who want to pursue the career in research after being a veterinary graduate. So thank you so much, sir, for sparing your precious time and giving such a nice information to many of the students like us who might not have the information in this field.
Thanks a lot for this opportunity, and pleasure is all mine. If students are having, they are struggling to choose a career, or they have any of the query related to career, so they can connect us, and we are always there to help.
Okay, yes. I know sir has always been a helping hand to us also since we have came to Pantnagar, and really Pantnagar has been a very great enlightening experience for all us students.
It's my appeal that you should like, subscribe on such platforms, because they are making you aware of the career aspects and the other aspects. So we should promote these initiatives.
Okay, so if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching Vetsdiary. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.